Here's a quick guide to shapes on Affinity Designer for the iPad. We'll start by creating a simple shape. Let's just tap on the rectangle and pick up the ellipse. Just tap anywhere on the screen and drag out, and you'll be able to create an ellipse. And when we let go, you'll see these nodes appear. We can change the angle by rotating the top one, and we still have access to the corner nodes where we can change the proportions. If you want a perfect circle before you start drawing, hit the command modifier and the shift key, and when you pull out on the screen you'll get a perfect circle, and that works for all the shapes in the list. Some shapes have additional options on them. If we just pick up the polygon, let's pull that out. Let's say pentagon, we can hit up the sides here and we can make an octagon by hitting 8 and OK in that. And again, you can do that with a lot of the shapes in that list. Some shapes will have special features. Let's just jump back into the ellipse tool, drag that out. Doesn't have to be perfect circle this time. You've got 3 options at the top here. One is convert to donut, which gives us an additional node in the center so we can create a ring. That's really handy for creating logos. And just come back to create another ellipse. The second option is convert to pie, which gives us another set of nodes, but this time we can create a pie chart. And lastly, we have convert to curves, which changes these outer boundary boxes from changing the proportion to behaving more like the pen tool.